This how to 1 minute will show you how to move WordPress website from a subfolder to root folder. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to complete this whole process. As you can see, my website is in subfolder, and now I want to move this website to this domain. First of all, log into your cPanel and open File Manager. Once you are in your File Manager, navigate to your website directory, and here, as you can see, my subfolder website folder. My subfolder name was example, and here we can see example. Now I will delete everything from my root folder. So I'm selecting all files without the subfolder. So press Ctrl and click on the subfolder to deselect it. Now click on delete. Confirm. Once you deleted all files or website files from root folder, open your subfolder and select all files and click on move. Here you have to remove the subfolder name and click on move files. Click on back, and now as you can see, my subfolder website files is in my root folder. Now all you have to need, just scroll down and search for wp-config.php file, select it and click on edit, and here scroll down and you will get here your database name. Copy your database name and go to your cPanel again, and now scroll down and you have to open PHP My Admin, and here this is my database. I'm going to clicking on it, and now click on options, and here now we will remove this subfolder from our website link. So first of all, edit the site URL option and remove the subfolder name and click on go to save changes, and now edit the home option and also remove your subfolder name from here. Click on go, and once done, I'm going to reloading my website, and as you can see, I've successfully moved my WordPress from subfolder to root folder. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.